Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we have the FOMC today, 2 o'clock. So it's really going to be the tale of two markets. You're going to have the lead up to 2 p.m. Eastern and then what happens after 2 p.m. Eastern. So do we walk it up? Do we go down? Do we do nothing? I don't know. We'll find out when we open this thing at 9:30. You can see here on the daily chart, the 9-day continues to hold up pretty well. Let's quickly go to the hourly. Here's your 9, here's your weekly. They could never quite get it back. They tried yesterday morning to take it back down towards the weekly pivot. They ended up creating a higher low. It was a nice short, and then really just kind of choppy stuff through the end of the day. A little bit of a decent long, but nothing, nothing particularly special. As we headed into the back half of the day, it got downright whippy. But able to hit our goals and move on to the next day, which is really what it's about. You can see how tight the Bollinger Bands are on the hourly. So as far as some kind of resolution, everything's concentrated between 35 and 38. You've got price, and then you got the 5-minute mid, 35 and change. Proprietary moving average, 35.62. Volume weighted average price, about 36.25. Hourly mid about 36.75. So it's all in there. They took it up to 40 at about 6:30 in the morning. They couldn't get anything done. They've taken 2 trips down to 32, one at 8 a.m., the other one about 5:30 in the morning. So, this 32 to 40 area centered on 36 is going to be the deal right off the bat at the open. I'll be very curious to see where we close today relative to the 9-day and relative to weekly pivot. And that's going to be all about what happens at 2 o'clock. So, don't try to game the Fed. Don't assume what's going to happen. The way we trade it in the room is we get a reaction range, upside and the downside, and we see are we making higher lows or lower highs relative to the range, and then we trade the breakout or the breakdown from that range, which is a much more risk-responsible way to deal with big events, whether you're talking about FOMC meetings or jobs reports, things of that nature. All right, that's all I got. Real quick today because we got to open this market. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, check out Reddit, check out the Facebook group. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.